The price of Bitcoin quadrupled last year, and in early 2021, its price hit $40,000 for the first time. Bitcoin is the new kid on the block with regards to portfolio diversification, while gold has a reputation for being a long-standing safe haven asset. So why are the two so often compared to one another? The Bitcoin concept first emerged in 2009. Gold, however, has a history that dates back more than 5,000 years. Throughout this history, gold has undeniably been associated with value. Its centuries of use as money, its international commerce, and later as backing for paper currency attest to this. The World Gold Council points out that highly speculative and volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are not safe haven assets. By contrast, gold has a track record as a safe haven and can maintain or increase its market appeal amid market turbulence. In December 2020, analysts at Goldman Sachs said they do not see the rising popularity of Bitcoin as an existential threat to gold's status as the currency of last resort. And in March 2021, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell stated that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and therefore not really useful stores of value, as they're not backed by anything, adding that the digital currencies are primarily a speculative asset. Bitcoin is a virtual currency that exists only digitally and can be purchased only online. Therefore, a buyer of Bitcoin can't actually touch it. However, gold is a physical asset that you can touch and hold and buy in person, over the phone, or online. Supply might be Bitcoin and gold's only similarity. Bitcoin was created with a supply cap of 21 million coins, and existing Bitcoin can't be destroyed. Meanwhile, nearly 200,000 metric tons of gold have been mined, with close to 50,000 metric tons remaining. Like Bitcoin, gold cannot be created or destroyed, and all of the gold ever extracted from the earth is still in existence. Jewelry, medical equipment, artwork, and many other items contain gold. Yet Bitcoin cannot be used as anything aside from virtual currency. Like many assets, gold's prices fluctuate, but not as intensely as Bitcoin's has shown. CoinWeek notes that Bitcoin's volatility is orders of magnitude higher than gold's. This complicates Bitcoin's case as a stable store of wealth and a trusted medium of exchange. Increase your portfolio diversification with an asset that has thousands of years of proven history. Call U.S. Money Reserve to speak with one of our knowledgeable account executives. Be sure to request your free Gold Information Kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio with precious metals.